Do you ever struggle with your Google business reviews? Maybe you just don't get enough of them, or maybe you get a fake review or even a bad review and you just don't know what to do with them. Or maybe you just don't understand how reviews seem to impact rankings. I recall my very first review and it was a negative review for my business. And I was devastated. Yet I handled the miscommunication well and very quickly it became a 5-star review. And if you're like me, you were keen to get more reviews, but then you realise they're not that easy to get hold of. And sometimes when you even get a really great review, it suddenly just disappears. So for many years now, I've been searching the internet to understand how reviews work and how you can get more reviews. I mean, how important are they to a business ranking in Google and to get in the top 3 on Google Maps? But there was very little information about it. And often when I watch videos on YouTube, it was contradictory at best. And I got to the point where I thought I'd never really ever get to understanding how reviews work and whether they are a ranking factor. That is until I started working with loads of clients and helping them optimize their Google business profile. And I started experimenting with profiles and with my own profile and found some great results. And it turns out that reviews are incredibly powerful, but not the way that most people think. And the reason it's hard to discover is because there's a bit more involved. It's not a direct ranking factor, it's an indirect ranking factor. So reviews are really powerful, they're much misunderstood, and there's some really simple ways to deal with the common problems that most businesses face when it comes to reviews. So whether you get poor reviews, bad reviews, fake reviews, or just wonder why it is that a competitor who has less reviews than you seems to be outranking you, it's now all starting to make sense. And what you need to do is to just grasp a few basic principles and then use that knowledge to transform your business. And although it took me a while to work this out, I don't want you to have the same issues that I had. So I want to share these tips, these strategies, some downloadable guides, and some secrets that I've used on my businesses and that will work on yours too. So I decided to build a 60-minute workshop that's going to sort those issues out, will help you discover my strategy for getting more Google business reviews, and also to enable you to understand how reviews impact your ranking so that you can improve your ranking for your business. And in the workshop, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, how to get more reviews, why reviews are important, when to ask for reviews, where opportunities for reviews can be found, and what the best way is to deal with fake and bad reviews. I'll also include my fake and bad review toolkit, which is a comprehensive guide to fix all the common issues. But you have to hurry because right now there are only a few early bird spots available on this pre-launch before the price goes up. I've been working super hard on this. I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you. So click the link below and then learn how you can secure your spot on my workshop. So thanks for watching and hopefully I'll see you there very soon.